Hello everyone, this video is a continuation of previous video on skeletal system.
Structure of bone. Structure of a typical long bone consists of epiphysis, metaphysis, diaphysis, endosteum and periosteum. Epiphysis.
Epi means on the top of, and physis means growth.
Epiphysis located at the ends of the long bones.
Epiphysis is composed of cancellous bone, covered by a thin layer of compact bone, filled with red bone marrow. Epiphysis provides attachments to capsule, ligament and tendons. Ends of the bones participants in articulation to form a joint. It produces RBC, and responsible for longitudinal growth of bones.
Metaphysis. Meta means in the middle. Metaphysis is located in the area between the epiphysis and diaphysis.
Metaphysis is composed of mostly spongy cancellous bone, but may have some compact bone, at the transition region between metaphysis to diaphysis.
Functions of metaphysis. Metaphysis helps in transferring loads in skeletal system. It supports and transmits compressive forces exerted on the bone, helps in bone growth. Diaphysis. Dia means through and physis means growth. Diaphysis is a narrow, elongated, midsection of a long bone, usually termed as shaft.
Diaphysis is composed of compact bone. A hollow medullary cavity is present in the center of the diaphysis, which filled with yellow bone marrow, and provides passage for nutrient arteries.
Functions of diaphysis. Diaphysis provides structural support to the skeletal system. It provides attachments for the muscles. Medullary cavity containing bone marrow produces blood cells and acts as a site for hematopoiesis. Diaphysis stores minerals and fats. Epiphyseal plate. Epiphyseal plate is also known as growth plate. It is located between the epiphysis and metaphysis of the long bone, and it is responsible for bone growth.
Epiphyseal line.
In adults, epiphyseal plate is replaced by an epiphyseal line, and this process is known as epiphyseal closure or growth plate fusion. Endosteum.
Endosteum is a thin membrane that lines the inner surface of the bone, including medullary cavity.
Periosteum.
Periosteum is a thin membrane that covers outer surface of the bone, except articular surfaces. It contains nerves and blood vessels. Periosteum serves as an attachment point for tendons and ligament. There are 4 types of cells that contribute to maintain homeostasis of the bone. They are osteoblast, osteoclast, osteocyte and hematopoietic cells.
Osteoblast. Osteoblast cells found along the surface of the bone. Functions of the osteoblast cells. It helps in formation of new bone tissues. It remodels bone, while aging, and heals damaged bones. Osteoclast. Osteoclast cells are larger than osteoblast cells. It is found within the bone itself.
Functions of osteoclast cells. It helps to dissolve, reabsorb and remove unwanted bone tissues.
Osteocytes. Osteocytes found in bone matrix. Osteocytes helps to maintain bone as a living tissue. By maintaining mineral homeostasis, it helps in remodeling bone. Hematopoietic cells. Hematopoietic cells found in bone marrow. Hematopoietic cells produces RBC, WBC and platelets. Accessory structures. Accessory structures that support skeletal system are the cartilage, ligament, bursae, muscles and its tendon. Clinical correlations. Fracture of the bone. The fracture can be defined as a break in the continuity of the bone. Osteomyelitis is an infection in a bone. Osteoporosis is a skeletal disorder, characterized by low bone mass, microarchitectural deterioration of bone tissue, leading to more porous bone.